Forget everything you thought you knew about handguns, because Glock just got dethroned. These 10 beasts are faster, smarter, and deadlier than ever. From military-grade performance to red dot ready carry kings, we're counting down the pistols leaving Glock in the dust. Number 10, SIG Sauer P365 XMacro Tacops. The P365 XMacro brings more of everything that made the P365 the #1 selling gun in America. New to the XMacro family, the XMacro Tacops continues the theme of more, with 4 steel magazines included, an all-new enhanced slide catch lever, and a metal-flared detachable magwell to make the most of those extra magazines. Fitted with a P365 XL length slide and a 3.7-inch barrel, the XMacro Tacops brings the first non-compensated variant into the family in a versatile new package, macro compact grip module, featuring standard 1913 rail P365 XL length optics ready slide. Even if you elect to purchase a pistol equipped with a manual safety, you must ensure that the trigger is not contacted in any circumstance other than when you intend to fire the pistol, particularly if you elect to carry your pistol with a round in the chamber. If you have a round in the chamber and the trigger is pressed to the rear, the pistol will fire, absent an engaged manual safety. Number 9, Canik Mete MC9. Mete MC9, which has all the superior qualities of the Mete series, defines the micro-compact segment with its ultra-thin 28mm special design and high-capacity magazine structure. The high-capacity magazine presented by Mete MC9 offers an extraordinary experience with comfort and ease of carrying. Just like in other Mete series pistols, thanks to its fully modular design, it can be disassembled and reassembled very quickly, including the trigger group, down to its smallest part. This practical and useful feature is provided by the new design of the 28mm double-sided slide holder. All optical sights, except Trijicon RMRCC, that can be used in Mete series can be easily attached to Mete MC9. Having the co-witness feature, Mete MC9 can be used with both the optical sight and the classic rear sight at the same time. This allows the shooter to engage the target very easily and quickly. The Mete MC9 is the highest capacity pistol in its segment, as well as the gun with the lowest barrel distribution. Equipped with a single-point white front sight and a plain black sight set as standard, the Mete MC9 has an 81mm/3.18-inch barrel. Number 8, Walther PDP Compact 4. Walther's timeless innovation has once more achieved a breakthrough never seen before in firearms with the PDP Elite handgun. Whether you are on the job or with the family, it is your duty to stay ready for any situation that may come. Now, you can do so confidently with the groundbreaking advancements afforded by the Walther PDP. With a 15-round capacity and a compact frame, the PDP Compact is both practical and powerful. With revolutionary ergonomics, super-terrain slide serrations, and a brand-new performance duty trigger, this is the next evolution in world-class ingenuity for pistols. Walther PDP Compact. 4-inch is rapidly gaining popularity among concealed carry and tactical shooters. Featuring a 4-inch polygonal barrel, no other handgun can put all the tools you need at your disposal, like the Walther PDP. Weighing approximately 24.4 ounces with an empty magazine, it maintains a lightweight profile for comfortable carry. It's a handgun specifically designed to maximize readiness, no matter the circumstance. And with the support of Walther's historic ingenuity, the unique design offers versatile advantages when you need them most, providing supreme performance in any condition. The Walther PDP Compact 4-inch is available in various models, with prices ranging from $699 USD depending on the specific variant and features, making this the go-to choice for shooters who demand excellence every single day. As the ideal firearm for those seeking unmatched versatility, dependability, and effectiveness in both concealed carry and conventional service situations, the Walther PDP is how you stay ready. Number 7. Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS-G 19 Gen 5 MOS Modular Optic System for Gen 5. With the G19 Gen 5, MOS Glock enhances the desirability of the already near-perfect Gen 5 model with the addition of the Modular Optic System, MOS. The slide is precision machined to provide a mounting system for popular optic sights. With multiple adapter plates, you can quickly and easily mount miniature electronic sights to the rear of the Gen 5 Glock slide, which has front serrations for easier and quicker manipulations. The Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS 9mm semi-auto pistol is probably the staple compact carry firearm that all are measured by. Sized between the subcompact 26 and the full-size 17, the 19 is a happy medium. It's the choice firearm of many law enforcement agencies worldwide and a very popular concealed carry firearm. For several years now, many have been getting their slides milled out by gunsmiths to cleanly attach a sight to their pistol. The MOS, Modular Optic System, has a slide cut out. Some still prefer a custom cut, while many prefer the ease of use with the MOS system. The G19 MOS comes with the same popular upgrades of all Generation 5 Glock pistols, like the Glock Marksman barrel and overall elimination of leaf springs, which have since been replaced by new coil spring designs for increased longevity and reliability. The slide release is ambidextrous and the magazine catch is reversible. The slide has factory serrations on the front and back. Plus, the front of the firearm is now beveled for easier reholstering. The G19 and G45 share holsters. Strap no longer has finger grooves, allowing any finger size to fit comfortably around the grip. G-Lock's MBS, modular backstrap system, allows you the ability to add or remove additional backstop pieces, including a beaver tail for those with larger hands. This eliminates slide bite. In front of the trigger guard, you'll also receive an integral accessory rail for a wide variety of light and laser accessories. Includes 3 magazines. Number 6 H&K CC9. With Heckler Koch's signature precision and rigorous testing, the CC9 is held to the same standards as full-size duty pistols and tested to the NATO Army Armaments Group AC-225 standards. Built to HK's renowned durability standards, the CC9 had over 750,000 rounds fired during development and testing. The CC9 adapts to the user's needs, featuring a modular grip system with interchangeable backstraps that allows for personalized customization. With a full grip and the same length of pull as the full-sized VP9, the CC9 stays on target when it matters most. Its advanced trigger system ensures smooth, consistent pulls, while the enhanced recoil management allows for rapid, accurate follow-up shots. The CC9 comes optics-ready, features a high-vis, tritium front sight, and a blacked-out, serrated rear sight for quick target acquisition. As the smallest double-stack pistol HK has ever produced, the CC9 sets a new standard for concealed carry firearms. With a width of less than 1 inch and an overall length of just 6.03 inches and chambered in 9mm, the CC9 comes equipped with a 10-round and 12-round magazine for flexibility and concealment, offering unparalleled ease of carry without sacrificing capacity. Number 5. Smith & Wesson Compact Carry Comp. Continuing to pursue excellence and performance. The new Performance Center, MP9M 2.0. Compact Carry Comp Pistol focuses on enhancing the shooting experience. Strategically designed to leverage the gases escaping the end of the gun during firing, the Carry Comp helps reduce felt recoil, meaning you can stay on target better, all in a compact design. Clear sight cut. Our unique design diverts gases away from your optic, letting you maintain an unobstructed view when firing. Carry Comp. Our strategically designed power port diverts gas upwards to reduce felt recoil when firing .4, .2, 2 inches 1 to 10. Twist stainless steel barrel with Armory finish optic-ready flat-face trigger with PC trademark tuned action, .18 degree grip angle, blacked-out serrated rear sight, night sight front sight. Stainless steel slide ported WWDO Armory registered trademark finish. 4 interchangeable Palmswell grip inserts. Ships with 2 15-round magazines. MSRP is around $799, putting high-end performance within reach. Looking for a compact with competition-level control? The M&P9 Carry Comp is your new go-to. Number 4. Springfield Armory Echelon 4.0C. Engineered for concealed carry, the Springfield Armory Echelon trademark 4.0C doesn't just shrink the full-size version, it refines it. With a compact 4-inch barrel and streamlined frame, it offers enhanced concealability without compromising on performance. But don't let the smaller size fool you. This compact beast is packed with cutting-edge tech. At the heart of the Echelon 4.0C is the Variable Interface System, a revolutionary setup that allows direct mounting of most of today's popular red dot optics, no adapter plates needed. Paired with tritium U-dot iron sights, it's built for fast, instinctive target acquisition in any lighting condition. Inside, the serialized central operating group gives this pistol a modular foundation, while its capacity, 15+1 with the flush fit mag and up to 18+1 with the extended, means it's more than ready for real-world defense scenarios. And now, the part that really turns heads. Despite its premium features and elite build quality, the Echelon 4.0C comes in at just around $629. That's right, a red dot ready, modular, optics-cut carry pistol with serious capacity and elite ergonomics, all at a price that'll leave you doing a double take. Compact, capable, and combat-ready. The Echelon 4.0C isn't just another carry gun, it's a bold statement in a small package. Number 3. FN Reflex XLMRD. The FN Reflex XLMRD is designed for optimized shootability and maximum concealed carry capacity. Designed with a proven internal hammer-fired operation and cold hammer-forged barrel, the FN Reflex XLMRD offers a best-in-class trigger, an easy-to-rack slide, and long-term durability. The FN Reflex XLMRD also comes with an optics-ready slide and ergonomic updates to the grip, which includes interchangeable back straps, a new palm swell, an enhanced trigger guard undercut, and an extended beaver tail. This is the perfect blend of shootability and concealability. Micro-compact pistol chambered in 9mm 3.8-inch, cold hammer-forged, stainless steel barrel with recessed target crown internal hammer, operated with approximately 5 pounds, single-action only trigger optics mount, compatible with the most popular concealed carry red dots. Slimline accessory rail patterned after the Glock 43X MOS rail. Compatible with Surefire XSC and Streamlight TLR7 sub-flashlights. Magazine ships with 1 15-round and 1 18-round magazines. Cold hammer forged, target crowned for long-term durability and accuracy. Polished chamber and ramp ensure feed for reliability. The FN Reflex XLMRD only is priced around $719, offering advanced features and optics-ready design. Number 2. Taurus GX4 Graphene. The Taurus GX4 took the market by storm when it launched, bringing best-in-class capacity, reliability, and features to the micro-compact pistol market. Now, the GX4 brings another innovation to the firearms industry as the first self-defense handgun to incorporate graphene technology. Graphene is a unique substance used in materials from automotive to outer space. The GX4 Graphene uses this unique technology to improve durability of both the frame and the finish, while decreasing the need for cleaning and lubrication. Available with 11 and 13 round magazines, the GX4 Graphene continues to show why the Taurus GX4 is the industry leader in micro-compact pistols. The Taurus GX4 took the market by storm when it launched, bringing best-in-class capacity, reliability, and features to the micro-compact pistol market. Chambered in 9mm, the GX4 Graphene features a 3.06-inch barrel, incredibly reasonable price, typically around $424.99, depending on the variant. The Taurus GX4 Graphene isn't just evolution. Number 1. Staccato CS. If you're looking for a compact 9mm pistol that delivers competition-grade accuracy in a concealed carry package, the Staccato CS is in a league of its own. Built on a 1911-style platform, but chambered in 9mm with a double-stack magazine, the CS blends smooth ergonomics, buttery trigger pull, and exceptional reliability. It features a 3.5-inch bull barrel, and its all-metal construction gives it a solid, balanced feel. While it's a bit heavier than polymer-framed pistols, that weight helps tame recoil and enables lightning-fast follow-up shots. The aggressive grip texture ensures control without being uncomfortable, and it's fully optics-ready for those who prefer red dots. The Staccato CS carries 16+1 rounds, which is impressive for its size, and despite its high performance, it remains highly concealable, perfect for EDC. As for price, it comes in at around $2,499, making it a premium investment. But for those who want the Ferrari of concealed carry pistols, the Staccato CS delivers unmatched performance, reliability, and confidence. And there you have it, the top 10 compact 9mm pistols built to disappear on your body, but perform like a champion when it counts. Whether you want proven reliability, cutting-edge tech, or competition-level accuracy in a package that fits your everyday carry, this list has something for you. Remember, the best pistol is the one you trust, train with, and carry confidently every day. So, pick the one that suits your needs, your hand, and your lifestyle, and practice relentlessly to make it your ultimate tool for protection. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more real-world carry reviews, and drop a comment below. Which compact 9mm do you trust to have your back when it matters most? Thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep your gear ready.